Hi, good morning. It's Faye from Faye's Journal Emporium. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. And a big thank you to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate all of you. Today I'm sharing some Halloween journals, and this one is based on an envelope style journal that I did last year for Halloween. She measures 5 3/4 inches by 8 3/4, has a 1.5 inch spine, and has 2 signatures with a total of 108 pages that you can journal on. The cover is using the scrapbook papers from Graphic 45. It was a kit that came out several years ago. I can't even remember how long ago it was that I purchased it. Anyway, I've used fabric for the spine to cover it, and this is the back. It's a really cute design. It ties closed with a sari silk tie ribbon. And I have used, for the kit, the Junk with Steph Old School Halloween. I made a journal for myself last year, which I really loved. This kit is amazing. It reminds me of when I was a little girl in school, and at Halloween how we would make the pumpkin cutouts and put the yellow paper behind and cut out your pumpkin face in orange and all of those cool things. So it's just a really nice kit. I've used some other items in here, and I'll try to remember who the makers are as I go through. So I've reinforced that spine. Lots of journaling space. I wondered last year when I was making my first Halloween journal what I could do with it besides write in it, because I'm not a diary keeper. And what I found was I loved the open pages because I could put a lot of my children and grandchildren's Halloween photos in it and document when they were taken, and it was just a lot of fun. Little items that my grandchildren had sent me, Halloween cards and things like that. So some ideas for you all to use. I've used some Tim Holtz die cuts, and these are again papers from Graphic 45. This was another kit a few years ago. There's a little tuck spot here. There's a journaling space, a tuck spot here. This is a journaling card from Victoria Designs. You can journal on the back of that. Thought that was pretty cute. Some scrapbook paper that I've used. Again, this is from the original 45, Graphics 45 kit, or papers from that. Some more, lots of journaling space. I use this to put pictures on, whatever you all would like to do with it. This is, I'll move this over just a little bit. I've used some flips in here, some Tim Holtz ephemera. This is part of that original Old School Halloween. Some sari silk ruffles, postcards for tuck spots. This is part of the kit. Nice journaling card there. Tag. I cannot remember where this came from, but I thought it was pretty cute. There's mischief brewing on Halloween. And then these postcards, for the most part, the reproduction postcards, are from the Graphics Fairy images. There's journaling space on the back of that. This is one of the cards from the original kit, or Graphics 45 kit, papers, excuse me. And here's another little Halloween journaling card that's based on a vintage postcard. Some scrapbook papers, lace. This is part of the her kit. Some black doilies, which I thought added some interest. It's another tuck spot. These pockets are from My Porch Prints. This is from the original Old Time Halloween, and old school Halloween, excuse me, and I've used some die cuts on that. Another one of the bird tags and another little Halloween postcard. And then these are, I'll show you this one. There's two in the book. This is one of the envelopes from the kit. And when I was a little girl, I used to love getting boxes of stationery because the envelopes always matched the stationery. So I've just printed out a page from the book and cut it out so you could use that for stationery. And that just tucks in here. Really, really cute images in this kit. And then that clips on here. And this is the mummy cloth from Tim Holtz, which I thought added some spookiness. Here's the kit. And then I've used the CD envelopes. This was an idea I got from Wendy, from Wendy's Journal Adventure. Thank you, Wendy. And this has a little journaling card in it. You could put your own picture on the back of that and slide it in and have that show through the image. And then I've used some die cuts, again, the Tim Holtz bats. Place for another photo, scrapbook paper. This flips out. You can glue these down for tuck spots if you want, or just leave it for journaling, extra journaling space. There's your centerfold. And I have used some beads and some Tim Holtz charms. So there's a little owl here and the number 13, and then some beads. That's the center. Some more space to put some pictures. And this is the back of the CD envelope. I made a large card here. I love this image of some vintage children dressed up for Halloween. There's a space for journaling or for another card. Here's another one of the tuck spots with one of the cards or tags from the kit, and I've just embellished that a little bit. Got some writing space on that. And then this is from the kit also. And then another one of the little postcards with journaling space. For journaling space, sorry, ruffles. Another piece of scrapbook paper. Another couple of little images here in the pocket. Other postcards. Coffee stained paper. This was an idea I got again from Wendy's Journal Adventure. I made this little flip. There's a little, you can see the little postcard in here. There's journaling space on the back of that. And then this came in the kit. There's a journaling space on the back. It just tucks in here. And then this is a Tim Holtz, one of his insects, and I used the embossing powder on it and then used a die cut. Back in. And then I made this. This is a die cut from Tim Holtz from last year, from Halloween, I believe, and I made a large journaling card with that. That was too cute to pass up. And then I saw this idea. I think it was Jackie. Yeah, Jackie did a video on this, and it was so cute. And I have forgotten who it is. Oak House Journals at Ling, I think, who did the original idea. But it's like a little tag, and it's got two little pockets here with some little images. And again, these are from Victoria Designs. And these little tags are from My Porch Prints, the little tickets. And then there's a little tag in here that with journaling, for secret journaling. There's a tag here for secret journaling. And then another tag here and a couple of more little tickets. This is a Tim Holtz ephemera, and then this is this little pocket there, and then there's the little ticket. And that just clips on there. And we've got more journaling space. Love these images. Tim Holtz paper doll. Some lace trim on there. More journaling space. This was from a napkin. This is the other envelope with the paper that matches. And here's another one of these ideas that I got from Carol Laws, and she did from Roxy Creations, and these are tailor-made journals, her beautiful French bank checks. And then there's a little card ticket in here, a tag with journaling space, and then another little card that you can write on, and then another one of the little postcards. And that just clips in here. And more journaling space. Another little envelope with some goodies in that. Another tag from the kit that I've added some die cuts to. Some more journaling space. Another tag that I made using these are tags from the kit, and then I've just added a little tuck spot here and one of the little Tim Holtz paper dolls. And then there's a little bird tag, and then this is a Tim Holtz ephemera. And then these stamps are so cute. They're the Mouse House stamps, and I had 2 of those, and I just had to include them because they're so cute. Scrapbook paper, more of the kit. It's from the kit with a space for journaling on the back, and another one of the little postcards from Graphics Fairy. Here's the centerfold on this one. Some more little tag bead dangles. This one has a little trick or treat from Tim Holtz and a little spider. And this has again a little one of the postcards, and then this little envelope has one of the Tim Holtz thing, and then there's some goodies in here too that you can look at, that you can use in the journal if you'd like. There's that other little Mouse House stamp. Then this is a flip, again, an idea from Wendy. Thank you, Wendy. And this little card here. You can use a white pen and journal on the back of that. It opens up. There's some little tickets here in an envelope. And then this is a trick-or-treat bag that I thought was pretty cute. So I just added that with the pumpkin face on it. That's, yeah. Some more Sorry Ruffles. Little flip here. Another tuck spot with some more journaling space. I added the die cut on that. This was from the kit, and again from Victoria Designs. This flips out for more journaling space. It's another one of these little My Porch Prints pockets. And there's some items here from the kit, and then another little, I think, cute little Halloween postcard, and then a piece of ephemera from Tim Holtz. And just tuck in there. This flips out. And this is a large pocket, or envelope rather, and I added the little spider. I thought that was pretty cute. And then there's some goodies in here for you to look at and use in the journal if you'd like. And there's a large sheet of journaling paper. So that's the journal, and she will be available in my Etsy shop. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly enjoyed making it. Halloween is my favorite holiday. Thanks again for joining me. Have a nice day.